how to save content from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save content from Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, when you open the Snapchat and when you take the photo or video, then you can simply tap on the save icon at the bottom left before sending, and it will be saved directly to the memories and your camera roll depending on your settings. And now here you can also save your snaps and stories after posting too. So here to save or posted stories, you simply have to go to the profile section, and now from here you simply have to tap on my story, and there you simply have to tap on the three dot, or you can simply tap on the save icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here you can also save receive snaps or chat. So here, if you receive a snap or chat messages that you want to keep, then you can just press and hold on that particular chat icon, and after that you can simply tap on save to save it in the chat. And that's it. That's how you can save content from Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.